I'm Todd Hudgel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This is a great little cruising boat, tons of comfortable seating, nice upholstery, lots of cup holders, got speakers up here, fantastic storage. This storage gets you all the way up under the helm. You got easy access through here or the side. Great place to store the cushions when you're fishing. The boat has a very roomy head for its size, and this seat is a great example of Boston Whaler engineering. You got a great place to lay out, and it also stops at multiple points along the way to face forward or backward. At the helm, we have a comfortable convertible helm seat, a 12-inch Simrad display, Fusion stereo, VHF radio. The boat's ready to cruise or fish. So when it comes to fishing, there's really plenty of room back here. 3 or 4 people can fish easily back here. Bait station, live well, seat folded out of the way. There's plenty of room, and we do most of our fishing at the back of the boat anyway. With the new V8 300 horsepower Mercury, the boat really performs fantastic. And from the windlass at the bow to take care of the anchor, to the Talon shallow water anchor at the back, the boat has all the features you need for easy fishing and cruising. So call MarineMax in Panama City Beach, ask for Todd, make an appointment to see this great boat.